All right, we're here post game with Coach Dooley. Coach, another home battle in the conference with Peru State. You guys had chances near the end. Talk about this game and just your overall thoughts.
You know, Tyler, I thought we did some good things. Kind of played well. It was kind of a spurty game. Kind of went back and forth. When we executed the game plan, we kind of did a lot of nice things. But credit Peru. They made plays down the stretch. Gave up a couple offensive rebounds. Sims, kind of took over when they needed to. That's what great players do. So again, I thought our effort was pretty good for the most part. We put ourselves in a position to win, but bottom line is when you get there in the last couple minutes, you got to make plays. And like I just told the guys, sometimes making plays is not just hitting a tough shot. Sometimes it's just doing the simple thing like getting on the floor, making the smart basketball play, boxing out, getting a rebound. So, hopefully, all these experiences, we're putting ourselves in a position and we got to learn from it and continue to fight and stay together, and hopefully the second half some of them start going our way.
Coach, you had a special guest address your team today. Can you talk about who that was, talking to your team in the locker room, and how that all happened?
Yeah, it's a former Kansas City Chiefs player and Chiefs Hall of Famer, Nick Lowry. He's been a good friend of my dad's and our family for a long time. He's in town right now because he's getting inducted to the Missouri Sports Hall of Fame this weekend. So he came in town, and we were fortunate enough to speak to our guys before the game tonight. And anytime we can kind of bring in outside guys to talk to them, especially guys that have not just competed at the highest level in their profession, but they've done extremely well. So Nick was awesome. I think the guys really enjoyed that. Definitely learning experience and stuff that they can take with them for the rest of their life.
That's really neat. I appreciate your time, Coach. Good luck Saturday.
All right, thanks, Todd.